Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use video stabilization feature on CapCut web version. So you can open CapCut web version on your browser by accessing CapCut.com. Don't forget to sign in with your account, or if you don't have one or this is your first time, please create an account in order to use all the feature on CapCut. So let's get started by click on magic tools. You can scroll down and try to find 4 videos. There are 6 features. One of the feature is video stabilization, reduce shakiness in your video. You can click it. Now you can click to upload your asset, your project, and here uploading video process. And here we go. So you can use this level like a basic or make it 100%. So you can adjust the color. So for the stabilize, you can use recommended, minimum cut, or the most stable. Even you can reduce your image, noise, remove flicker, or transform. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.